Harvest spring, like everything.
Let's change the boring photos into aesthetic ones. Open Diva Video app. Choose Text Brush. Now add text to the photos. Next, change the color and adjust the brush size. Can't wait for decorate my photos with aesthetic text style. Try it to your This lock screen is amazing! And this lock screen widget. Open ice cream. Select puzzle wallpaper. Click on your favorite lock screen. Add photo. Select the lock screen widget. One click save. Just put the widgets on. You should try it soon.